What's up everyone and welcome to you on the Moonchart YouTube channel. Today we're going to update the Bitcoin price. We're going to see what next, what and how it played, by the way, since we planned the last wave in the last update. Hope you're all going to enjoy this update. As always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn on notifications. This is a very new YouTube channel, Moonchart YouTube channel, so really smash the like, smash the subscription, smash everything to make sure you don't miss any update next. Okay, but this is what we have planned in the last update. So not mainly was looking first of all for a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuation to the downside, but if we don't have to get a continuation, we was looking for this ABC zigzag. As always, if you want to get some more details about this ABC zigzag, you can just go and check the website, the Moonchart website. Right here, you have to get the plan. You can join us for free, and you have a course waiting for you for free on the basic impulsive, the Fibonacci for an impulsive or for a correction wave, for example, how to use this, what fibs you're going to use, everything you have to know, and then you start your learning in addition to this with the ABC zigzag and the ABC flat. So really do not hesitate to go and check out the website. By the way, before to continue here, you also have some giveaways. Right here on the you also have some giveaways here on the Discord server, so really do not hesitate to go on the Discord server right here. You just have to join the Discord server right here. You will get 2 giveaways. So 1 giveaway here to get to be able to win a switcher, so 1 winner, and 1 giveaway here for Christmas again to win 1 XOCharts month for free. You will get 3 winners on that one. So you just have to go on the website, create an account with a member upgrade, with apprentice VIP, whatever you want, clearly free or paid, it's really up to you. You just have to go and click this, you just have to log in here with your email, and you just have to enter to do everything here. More points you have, more chance you have to win the stuff. And of course, if you have, for example, 9 pounds maximum, and someone else have 9 points too, it's going to be random. Okay, but yeah, more points you have, more chance you have to win. You can win so 1 Moonchart sweatshirt or 1 XOCharts month for free. So really do not hesitate to go and check this out. Yeah, you can just win some few stuff for free for Christmas. That's pretty cool. And 9 days left, by the way. So yeah, anyway, so yeah, on this one here, so I will just on this screenshot right here first of all. So yeah, I mean, we have planned some really interesting stuff. The thing was really, if we do the ABC exact here to the downside, we get a rise clearly next. We are going to be looking for a wave 5 to minimum take this high and even possibly get a continuation, such as yeah, I mean, this is what happened in the last update, clearly. Okay, so since then, what we have, I'm just going to add the waves here so you can see really everything. Okay, so here we was looking, you know, for this ABC flat before we take the low here already. The plan was really, if we have to take the low here, if we have to take the low here, we're going to look for this ABC flat. So 5 ways correction, 5 ways. Okay, clearly. So here we look for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive first of all. What we have planned, okay, at the very beginning. If you go there, for example, on the Discord server right here in the BTC advice, I'm going to cover something after that really quickly. But here, for example, ABC, I was looking for this wave 1, 2, 3, or 5 into the 120 extension before to retrace. Okay, so impulsive. Now the other thing is we also recognize in this update, by the way, the update at the very beginning here, we could also do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending, so a wedge to the upside, clearly. Okay, so to speak, not something with an impulsive, but a wave 1. So this it's a very ugly ending here, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. You know, normally it looks like this, a wedge to the upside. Okay, this was also possibility. So we have done this. Okay, we have done this. Is what we recognized in the last update, as you can see right here. Okay, this is what we recognize here. 1, 2, 3, 3 here, wave 4, and then the wave 5 to take this high. Possibly get a continuation. Okay, so on Sunday, on every Sunday, I'm live with VIPs to plan the next move, to plan the upcoming week, to plan everything. So here, what I was looking for, again, here we have the ABC zigzag here. Okay, so the correction we have planned here, right there. I'm just going to show this very quickly. So A, B, C zigzag playing the last update. We got a rise with what exactly here with 5 ways to the upside. So as always, we have 5 ways here. What we look for next, an ABC zigzag. Why do we look for an ABC zigzag next? Simply because in an ending, so a wedge in a C wave or in a wave 5, okay, is in the wave 1 an ABC zigzag. So here ABC zigzag, then in the wave 3 ABC zigzag, and then in the wave 5 ABC zigzag. As always, ABC zigzag course is on the website for free, so do not hesitate to go and check this out. It's really not easy. This is the most easiest plan, but in the wave 1, 3, and 5 of an ending, you have ABC zigzag. So 5 waves, correction, 5 ways, 5 ways, correction, 5 ways. So here, if you have a 5 ways, you look for correction, you look for 5 ways. It's not as complex as you can see here. Okay, so that's what we planned is ABC zigzag. Again, we could take this out, get a continuation. Only time will confirm this. Clearly, on this small wave will confirm this, but here, as you can see, we got a 1, 2, 3, or 5 here to the upside. That's why we placed this ABC in the live stream here. Okay, so I'm going just to place you this. So we have a wave one right here, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll have the wave 5 right there. Okay, blue hidden. So once you have a 5 like this, what you look for an A, boom, B, and C. Okay, that's why I was looking for this ABC here in the live stream, the Sunday update. So we've got a retracement, got some different targets pan to the downside, swing through pan. Then we've got a naked session path controls. We've got a daily with some confluence in addition to this. And so yeah, some people have been, and some VIPs here had been able to long this. That's pretty cool. Nailed the low here due to the B target and precise volume level there. And Sunday live stream, the best here, this as you can see here is the screenshot right there of the ABC exam. We just piled some targets to the downside. You can see here a VIP failed the long here. That's pretty cool, not gonna lie. So yeah, that was a target plan here clearly. I just said to yeah, by the way, this is not here. I don't have the screenshot for this, but anyway, yeah. So anyway, here we got a naked session path control. If you go, for example, this is a nodal flow, by the way. This is also what I'm teaching you here. But this, for example, is a session template, okay, on Excel charts. And this, by the way, the software is you pay every month. So if you want to get 1 month for free, do not hesitate to go and check at the giveaway on the website. I mean, you can go in the on Discord 7 and click the link. We can just go on the website, but you don't have any clickable link, so you just have to go on the Discord server. But anyway, so here we have the A wave to the upside, okay, with the 5 ways up. Then we have the retracement, okay, so we talk about this 5 ways to the upside, retracement. We got some different targets plan, okay, to the downside here. Swing through pan the lows right here. If you remove the TPOs right there, swing through pan the lows. If we do not swing through pan, we look for the naked session path control level right here. Boom, we touch the naked session path control and we get the big rise to the upside. Okay, so again, it's all then by reading the order flow here on the target. So speak this, you just have to read the order flow here to make decisions on, okay, if we have or not to take a trade. Okay, such as yesterday, for example, recognize here all the way up that we didn't got any short trade to take because the data was not that good, was more bullish and bearish, and so we took the high once more, and from here massive move to the downside because we finally hit our target was looking for yesterday. But anyway, so here 5 ways correction 5 ways. Okay, so here you could also use, for example, the retracement, the basic fib retracement right here, 61866%, 766, boom, retracement to this plus the naked session path control. Pretty cool. From here, recognize some different waves here to the upside. Okay, so right there, yeah, by the way, recognize that we got a nice right into, as you can see, here's a naked session path control, $17,890. So if we add this on the chart, for example, on the Coinbase, on the Bybit chart right here, for the naked, so I'm going to add a key level. Oops, key level. Boom, perfect. As you can see here from the key level, got a very nice move to the downside again. So this is the first short trade we feel here. Again, not perfect touch to the dollar because yeah, sometimes like this, clearly big rise, it's not necessarily a perfect touch, but again, you have to adapt and trade this, be able to trade this. So yeah, once we have it, I just say to my team, Ethereum is also working on a swing through pan. We're going to talk very quickly about Ethereum, by the way, because we have done a swing through pan off the swing through pan. That's pretty crazy. If you look at this, for example, here, we have done a swing through pan first of all. You can see the price high right there. Swing through pan. This is when I said, hey, Ethereum is also working on a swing through pan right now, when Bitcoin was starting to drop also of the naked session path control right here, okay? And so right here, once we have done this, we just took the high once more to do a swing through pan of the previous swing through pan. And since then, we have done a very nice boom, 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 5% move to the downside, the second biggest cryptocurrency in the world. That's pretty insane, not gonna lie. So yeah, pretty cool. But yeah, from here, as you can see here, I just say to my team, bullish divergence if we don't get the short reaction. Again, if you want to understand this fully, just go and check out the website. You will get everything clear, the information in the Excel charts section, in the Excel charts course. But to speak here, we got some bullish divergence on the CVD, so we got absorption on the lows, okay? So it was more bullish than bearish if we don't get the short reaction. So speak, if we get the short reaction, we cancel the bullish divergence, and so we can look for a short trade. And at the end, we got the short reaction. If you short it, take break one is hit and stop loss on trade. I'm always here, except if I'm sleeping, telling you what you need, what data we have to look at, what data we have to look for, what we can look at, where we can look for a trade, everything clearly, okay? So yeah, take one is hit and stop loss on trade. So that's why here, very good short trade. At the end here, recognize that we was about to take the high once more. More likely, okay, in the next day I'm going to show you the daily plan summary. But anyway, here was looking for this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so wave 4 here retracement with all the target 2316, MC fib 31 to 50%, green level here, and then get the rise. Okay, so once we have done this, we just did, as you can see here, if you go back on this, you have so a wave, boom, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the wave 5 right here. Okay, we just recognize is no well placed here. Perfect here. Nice. So right here, I'm going to add this extension tool for the wave 3. Right here again, you have everything on the website for all the targets of the fibs. This is free, so really go and check this out. Really, you get all the information you need. Otherwise, the updates are going to be too long on YouTube if I just take time to explain everything. But anyway, so here 1, 2, 3, or 5. You can also use the RSI. Boom, 1, 2, 3, wave 3, highest reach on the RSI. So at this top right here was not looking for a drop directly, was looking more likely for a wave 4 and 5. Why? Simply because this was not, we didn't got any divergence on the top. Yes, I'm not using the RSI only to look at divergence. I don't care about this. I'm using the RSI to count the waves. How can you recognize an impulsive? On the other side, you have a wave 1 here, you have a wave 2 retracement, the wave 2 cannot break the wave 1 route. Okay, once you have done this, the wave 3 is always the highest on the chart if you're in an impulsive to the upside, of course. Once you have done this, you're going to get a divergence from the wave 3 and 5. The wave 5 is going to push higher, and the wave, so you have a high, 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 and here you have a high, low, high. It's extremely important for 5 waves to get this divergence on the top. This is a confirmation, and by the way, now a lot of people are using the RSI, so I don't know if they're learning from me, but anyway, in some other groups. But it's here, so you didn't guys against here any divergence from this top to maybe another top. I don't know why this was the top, the highest reach on the RSI. So was it possible to be done with the top directly? No, we recognize that it was more likely to just look for another rise, as I said here. Okay, as I said here, I'm just going to show that right here. I just say to my team, as you can see, so right there, very good rise for the C wave. We have no divergence on the top of this rise, so it was on the 14th, sorry, on the morning for the daily update, so it was around the lows right here. Okay, so I just said, hey, we don't have any divergence on the top of this rise for a wave 3 and 5, as I just explained it, so we are possibly going to take the high once more to form it. And so we took the high, we formed the absorption, and we drop it 4% on the world's biggest cryptocurrency. Still mainly looking for the ABC flat. Be aware of the C flat targets. 100% of the C is my main target right now with a 18,100 swing through plan. If no shorts there, we're going to look for high target plan. Okay, so really easy process. This was the main target. If you remember good, we also planned the targets to the upside here, as you can see here. So this was this was here, by the way. We have an A, B, C, as you can see here. We have the 618, we have the 120 extension. So this was a more likely target we have planned in some different updates, and also yesterday with VIPs. Okay, and so here, so you just have to place it from the A wave root to the A wave top to the B wave bottom here. 618, we can remove it now because it's already hit and we went really higher. 120 extension. In addition to this, you just have to add a smaller time frame target. So here 1, 2, 3. Here we have done a 20% on the wave 3. This is not the best, but anyway, we don't care. We just follow the RSI. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. We just look for the wave 4 and then for the wave 5. By the way, wave 4, we can look for the retracement from the wave 3 top to the wave 3 root, or from the wave 3 root to the wave 3 top. It depends, as always, if you reverse audio tool or not in your settings. Personally, I did it because I'm going in the same trend the market, so it's more logical for me, so I just did it like this. But otherwise, you do the opposite. So 2316, 3132 for the MC fib, and then you have the 38.2. Okay, so here we have done, as you can see here, 38.2. The red level right here, so 31.2. So once you have done this, boom, place. Once you see we start to get a rise and you start to form this on the RSI, as always, the wave 4 cannot break the wave 2 bottom on the RSI for an impulsive, extremely important. Once you have done this, we just have to add the wave 5 target, so 618, 120 extension, 1618, 261 point. Here, which one was a more likely target? It was simply the 1618, where we got a rejection. Why? Simply because the 618, oops, it's not the right wave, by the way, but anyway, I'm going to take this one. 618 will result to a truncated wave 5 because I stopped before the wave 3 top, so it's less probable. The 120 extension right here will result to a double top or a truncated wave 5 again, so it's less probable. And so the next target, more likely, is a 161. As always, the 1618 and the 261 point are never well perfectly touch it. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty cool because this is what, as you can see here, we have planned here. So if you go there, wave 4 here and then a wave 5. Okay, we'll have done the wave Oh, I have to time the same screenshot, but anyway. And so then, boom, we have done the wave 5. We plan, so the 161 here, more likely wave 5 target. And so once we have done this, we just hit our target. As you can see, if you remove or place the green square, the red square, yeah, we're going to just hide this for the moment. Where it is? Boom, boom, boom. Ah, yeah. Boom, I'm just going to remove that one for the moment. Perfect. So once you have done this, you just have to add the 618 here, the 161 and 261 point. First more likely target, second more likely target, and you know that this is not perfectly touch it. The thing you have to do here is just to add the confluence with a bigger wave target, 120 extension. You just have to find a smaller wave, you just have to add the rules, apply the rules, and do not listen to people that are saying Elliott Waves not working, because I'm going to show something next that is pretty crazy. I'm going to try to not talk about this too much, but anyway. So here, 161 here, where you hit the target, you got a massive 4% move to the downside from here. This is absolutely crazy. So yeah, this is how you have been, this was possible to trade this, clearly to short the top right here, because of course, yes, I'm in a short trade from the top right there. If you check out this, I'm just gonna try to find this. Yeah, by the way, extremely important here, if you want to get some, because as you know, these days this is just a very, very difficult period for some exchanges. So for example, Bybit just laid off 30% of its employees, so it's pretty crazy. Binance stopped withdrawals and everything, so it's getting really weird these days. So that's why if you want to trade, I'm not going to say safe because it cannot be safe 100%, but if you want to get some good exchange for the moment, where you can get some bonus for tradings and everything here, for example, you're going to get, so I retweeted that normally, I'm going to make it easy by going here, right here, announcement here, to make it easy, okay, for a week you are going to get 20% discount on fees while you're trading, so that's pretty interesting, not gonna lie. You will also get a 10% deposit bonus. For example, if you deposit, if you deposit a 1,000 deposit, okay, you're going to get 100 USDT in your wallet, I mean in your account, in your trading account. It's maximum 100 USDT you're going to get, so you can withdraw 2,000, you're still going to get 100 USDT, for example. Okay, now you can get also, in addition to the 10% deposit, you can also get up to $8,000 reward just by doing a deposit bonus. This is absolutely just by doing a deposit in your account. This is absolutely crazy. So less fees, more money with a deposit. Absolutely crazy. So really, do not hesitate to go and check this out. The link is just right below in the description. You can just go and check this out. To say it, BitGet, and I'm trading with this at the moment because this is, I like this exchange. I don't know, I like this one. It's very nice for trading. But yeah, I wanted to show something. I can't remember. I can't remember what was this. Anyway, I don't know. I forgot. Oh yeah, by the way, I wanted to show that I was short from here. Yeah, by the way, I mean, this is how I have been able to trade the range here, the consolidation, and even more now with all the trades we have here. But yeah, I mean, this was one of the last trade normally. It was here. As you can see here, so this was a small wave we have planned here, so wave 4, wave 5 here, okay. And then so the wave 5 first target plan, as you can see the price right here, $18,209. Boom, we touch that level, $18,209. We touch the level, we go more or less a bit higher as always. With your Elliott Waves target, you just have to add the confluence. For example, here, what was the confluence? We got a TPO right here. Again, thanks to ExoCharts. Okay, so if you want to get 1 month for free, just go and check out the Discord server, go in the giveaway channel and check this out. Here, boom, TPO, touch the TPO right here, as you can see, and from here, boom, 5%, almost 5% move to the downside. Absolutely crazy. So again, we just have to add the confluence, and we have been trading the TPO. I just say to my team, if I can show you that, I don't know if it's here on the, no, it's not here. I just say to my team, and I was personally looking at the 10-second chart, because again, this is something we have to be aware of. But where it is, it was here. It was here. Wait, that was a 10-second chart, for example. Here, boom, wave 5 rejection, and so yeah, I mean, this is very crazy. That was a 10-second chart. I'm not going to give some more details about this. If you want to get some more details, you have the ExoCharts on the website. But we got the good direction. Was looking for a short trade. That's pretty crazy. You just have to be aware. I mean, you just have to look at the direction. Clear. I was saying, hey, to my team, we have now hit the maximum target of this. We have now here the TPO mirror of this. If we get any short reaction here, that's a short to take, because yeah, I mean, this is like this clearly. Okay, that's the plan. The plan is the plan. So now the thing is, okay, that's cool, we have done the top, but what we can expect next year is, after we have done the correction, you can of course look for a bigger WXY, for example, and normally now the top is more likely in. Okay, I'm not going to cover some of the scenarios where we're going to do another rise, everything. No, I'm just going to stick to the plan. What we can look for here is a possible, so as I said earlier, I don't know if I have this here, I don't know if I have this here. Yeah, so this was the first one, but this is not the right one. This was the second one here. So we can look for a possible, so bigger wave 1 2 3 or 5 to the downside here. Okay, so bigger wave 1 2 3 oh my god, 3 4 5, impulsive ending as always possible. We can also look for another scenario that is a big wedge here to the downside, if you remember good. Not going to cover that much, but just want to give you the pattern here. If you remember good, we know when we have shorted at top, we have planned this top a month in advance, and we have planned that to almost the absolute dollar here before to retrace all of this. Once we was looking, for a possible 1 2 3 4 5. What we have done here more likely, but as always, this can be also an ABC zigzag. And if we have here an ABC zigzag, for example, what it can be a wave 1. A wave 1 2, oh my god, a wave 1 2 3 4 5. If you remember good, we also have planned this from the very top. I was looking for an impulsive 1 2 3 4 5, or for a wedge to the downside, support, resistance, and once we have done this, we just get the rise and we are finally bullish. Okay, so that is also something to be aware of. Okay, that is also something to be aware of. I'll let you find a small wave kind of thing. In the wave 1 3 and 5 of this ending, you have an ABC zigzag. Okay, this is the exact same plan we have been trading here, and we have plan here. Okay, not that complex. So yeah, now before to end everything, and to confirm a move to the downside, okay, I just want to get a 5 ways to the downside. If we don't get a 5 ways to the downside, we're going to take the high once more, but this is what I'm looking at if we have to drop from here. So maybe not a big retracement like this, for example, before the move to the downside, we didn't have done any big retracement, we have done a very small retracement. That's, for example, a wave 1, a wave 2, we have done a very, very small retracement, as you can see here, before to get the massive move to the downside. So I'm just placing the wave like this, but we can do again something really small, and then boom, massive move to the downside again. Okay, so yeah, before to end the live stream, I just want to show you something on the Discord server I posted yesterday, because yeah, I mean, this is important in my opinion. This is this. Okay, I don't want to get to spread hate on someone, or to spread negativity or whatever. Okay, I just want to just talk about this really, because we have a VIP in the group that is sharing for some few days, and I also send me some DM with some screenshots about chat champions. Okay, I don't want to get hate or something. I just want to show this. Okay, I just said yesterday, our plan versus the best trader in the world, because yes, these guys are just all the time the god. These guys are the best trader in the world. They're the best of everything. They have a massive big ego, and it's just pretty crazy. So a member provided nice screenshots of chat champions getting wrong a lot these past few days. Just want to pause this one here so you can all see how chat champions don't care about their members. Okay, really want to show this. Very expensive, but no returns. Every month you pay, I don't know the exact amount, but you pay very, very expensive stuff, and you get no returns. Here we are here every single day, for example, to just I mean, yeah, we're here every single day except the weekend to really keep updating the chart to let you know what you have to do, what data we have to take a trade, if you have to look, where you have to look for a trade, what are the next wave, what is the next move, everything you have to know clearly. And so these guys are just getting paid thousands each month for no predictions, because they're not using Elliott Wave or only on the bigger time frame. This is what my members told me. With bad decisions, I'm going to show you why, and spreading shit about Elliott Wave, because some members told me that they're saying that Elliott Wave is not working. I mean, they're not using Elliott Wave because it's not useful in a low time frame, medium time frame. I mean, we have planned this ABC flat before to take the low here. If we don't do the ABC zigzag, the rise directly here, we take the ABC flat. So correction, 5 ways. How can you say Elliott Wave is not good on a medium time frame if you can plan the next move? We have been able to plan this 5 ways here before it happens. before it happens, this 1, 2, 3, or 5, or the ending. We have been able to plan this to the upside. We also recognize the more likely was a 1-to-1 extension here at the end, and even at the very beginning with this impulsive. I mean, how can you say Elliott Wave is not working and say, no, I don't need Elliott Wave? Against here, for example, just want to show you, this is a screenshot he sent. A very nice day at Champions. Take a short and get wrecked, then miss a 3% drop because yes, they took a short. They sent some, this guy sent some screenshot into the APBC channel here because Daniel, so the main guy from Champions, filled a short on the retest. I don't know exactly which one it was here. Normally it was so a retest, if I'm mistaken, it was around there. So I on the retest here and he got wrecked. He just took a loss, so he took a loss, take a short and get wrecked, and then miss a 3% move down, and now 4% move to the downside, while waiting for a range to form. As you can see here, so this was just for something expecting higher, then price through the high. For me, no more good trading opportunities for now. This was on the very top of the very top. We remain patient for a lower time frame range to form. If you check on the lower time frame here, do you have any lower time frame range forming here for the drop? We just dropped directly with a big move to the downside from the trade we have planned, and we recognize this was the more likely if you check out the comments here. So, and I am sure that this guy feared the short, but as you can see, this guy just telling you some informations. Is it really useful, to be honest? I mean, this guy just waiting for a range before to make a decisions. Do you have a range here before? Yes, you have a consolidation, but no market structure channel again. You just drop directly with no range here, so you will miss a nice. So after you took a loss here because the stop loss will place it here, I don't know where exactly, but if you fear the trade here, nervous place it here. I mean, there's different ways to trade this, by the way. So you took a nice 1% loss, okay, and then you miss it a nice 5% move to the downside. While we was looking for the wave 4, was expecting high here, and we also planned it not to the exact dollar because the way this is a 165, the wave 5, the top right here. So what is the price will drop from here? This is a moonshot that the comment clear on yesterday, so on the 14th of December. Very good ride for the C wave. We have no divergence on the top of the right of this ride for the wave 3 and 5. So we are possibly going to take the high once more to 4 minutes. Okay, it gives you a very good short straight from there. And by the way, this guy sent me that they did not short this because that was not a good short opportunity. I mean, what the fuck. And so it gives you still mainly looking for the ABC flat. Be aware of the C flat targets. 100% of the C is my main target right now with 18,123 pounds. This was on the morning. Okay, this was on the morning of the 14th of December. And if again, of course, if no shorts there, we are going to look for high because again, we plan the more likely stuff, but we still trade direction. Okay, and then we just make decision of direction if we have something or not. So yeah, just say, hey, 100% of the flat CY target plan in the public update at the very beginning of this move up at the more and the more likely target plan today with VIPs at the moonshots comment says provided almost a 4% move down on the world's biggest cryptocurrency. So the thing is, yeah, I mean, let's say that we are moving the market because they're always saying, oh, look at this, what have done, we cause the 1% move on Bitcoin, for example. But I mean, yes, we in that case, we at moonshots provoked the 4% move to the downside on Bitcoin because we was looking for this target. This was a more likely target plan Monday and even at the very beginning of the rise. I mean, this just doesn't make sense to say we are moving the market. I mean, no, it's just because it's like this, because the waves are like this, and that's all really. Okay, so, I mean, okay, we have done the 4% move. We provoked the 4% move at moonshots to the downside on Bitcoin. Okay, this is crazy. So how can someone say there is no trade or good opportunity when the market moved 4%? But when they move the market 1%, they're like, oh my god, look at this, we moved the market 1%, this is a so good trade opportunity, but here there are no trades, and we did a 4% move to the downside. Just wanted to show you this because that's just pretty crazy. And yeah, there are a lot of times I mean, there are a lot of screenshots like this. No, I don't want to share everything because I don't want to spread how do you say this, to spread some hate on everyone and whatever, but I just want to show some few stuff like this. Yeah, that are not really good, to be honest. Okay, they're not really good, and this is just more marketing they're doing because again, for example, in their updates next, they're not going to show that they were wrong. If I'm wrong, I don't care to say it. I'm wrong, I just have to accept it. Okay, that's the only thing I have to do. I am wrong, I assume, and I just accept it clearly. I don't say, okay, look at this, I say this. I don't show that I were wrong, and that's all. No, if I'm wrong, I say it. I don't care. That's all really, okay? But this is what we have planned for from here. Clearly the ABC 5 will have to take the lows and then a 5 ways up, because this is a C wave, it's 5 ways clearly. That's Elliott wave, that's why Elliott wave is pretty crazy. You can always plan next move, you can always plan everything to the upside, to the downside. You, of course, if you expect, for example, to go on with a wave, you're again still to plan lower and sideways, because you have to be ready in any case for low and sideways. Extremely important. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, just wanted to talk about this, not to hate someone or to for this kind of stuff. Just really wanted to share this, because just to show the reality clearly, because that's just pretty crazy. This kind of stuff making crazy. They're always doing some big marketing with. Oh my god, we are the best trader in the world, we are gods for people, we are just stuff like that, and this is crazy. Look at this, they missed a 4% move to the downside, got wrecked before. For example, I got some screenshot again from, of course, after the move happened, because otherwise it's not funny. But for example here, the main guy also said short and chill on the very low here. We took the high later and we was looking for a long here, for example, and we feared a long here, for example. So I mean, yeah, that's just pretty crazy. How can you say short and chill when you do next a nice almost 4% move to the upside during 2 days? For a day trader, this is not possible. I mean, this is not possible, and you pay this so much. I mean, this is really expensive. I mean, yeah, that's pretty crazy. This is insane, really. What can I say? So yeah, anyway, let's see which one plays out here, if we take the high or not. If we take the high, what I'm going to take here it don't really make sense with the context, but if we take the high, what I'm going to take is not only an A, B, C zigzag, but a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, it's a lot less probable. It doesn't really make sense with the flat with the 1 to 0 5 year context. But there are some other wave where the bigger wave are a bit different and everything. This is a lot less likely, but just want to make sure you have everything. Okay, but yeah, mainly, in any case, even if we look at it, just want to, so you understand, if we do this, for example, do we care? We are long from the very low, we long it here, we long it here, we long it here. Do we care about it? Do we care about pushing higher? No, it's just even better for the longs, clearly. Now, of course, we took profit. I personally did not fully close my long here, because nothing is still fully confirmed for a drop. Okay, you have to understand this. And yeah, I'm short from the top, so who cares if we do this? I took profit 2 times already, set my stop loss entry, and now I refunded my fees, I made money, and I cannot take loss because my stop loss is set on entry. So if we push higher, who cares? We don't care. Okay, now I just want to give you the waves so you can see more likely what to expect next. If we push higher, you know what we are. If we go more down, that is the more likely, you know exactly what we are, you know exactly what to do. And if we're edge bound, boom, the wave too. Okay, so anyway, that's all for today. Hope you all enjoyed. As always, if you want to win 1 XMOONCHARTS month for free, do not hesitate to go and check out the Discord server. You have to go then in the giveaway section right here, right there, and you will get the link here to be able to play this. As always, don't forget to log in with your email. Once you have this, confirm your email, otherwise you're not going to be able to enter. You're going to be able to play, but you're going to be able to be picked as a winner at the end. So do not forget to check at your mailbox, maybe the spam or so. And so here you can win 1 Moonchart sweatshirt and 1 XMOONCHARTS month for free. And yeah, if you want to get some good stuff on BitGet, by the way, I don't know why I'm saying BitGet, but it's French. I am French, but anyway. So you can get a 20% discount on fees while trading, so pretty cool. A 10% deposit bonus, max 100 USDT, because always way too much, and up to $8,000 on your first deposit, in addition to the 10% deposit bonus. So this is absolutely insane, really. So if you want to check this out, just check out the link in the description and in the comments down below. But anyway, that's all for me for today. So hope you all enjoyed. Have a brilliant day. Don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel to turn on notifications. And yeah, have a nice day. Take care, and see you all in the next one. Cheers.